BMRN, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? We'll be breaking the new update. Is it a buy now? The new steps. I'll be answering that. I have done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. BMRN for me is not a buy, right? Like the new updates, I just got like a break-even hit, which just freaking sucks because I was in a sell side beforehand, but break-evens got hit. Totally fair, man. Like it's part of the game. Welcome to trading. We BMRN. Also, Minch kind of pulled back with 11 receipts here. I can tell you that if there is a second break beneath 56.35, so I'm telling you we're $1.10 below that, then I'm like looking to sell, double down the sell side. But other than that, actually everything else would just rather be noise. No need to just try and force stuff here. And you know, on top of it, I have like 11 receipts in the Discord, so really there is not lack of coverage. When would I be bullish? Well, I mean, great time is going to be break above $63, but the even greater is going to be 73. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.